Hey everybody, we hope you enjoyed season 1 in 2020 with the Wandering Wassoms, and welcome to season 2, 2021.
Woohoo! You guys got to see us in our first year of married life and blended family life, and now we're welcoming you to year 2.
That's right, and we had a lot of adventures in 2020. Our sailing, our hiking, our camping, our exploring, and we are going to continue that in 2021. We've got some great things planned.
Especially this summer and winter. Utah is just amazing for every season of outdoor activities.
And we plan to get outside of Utah as well, so stay tuned and keep watching our episodes.
Yep.
We're gonna re-intro you to everybody in the family so you can watch them grow with us.
Hi, I'm Gary.
Say, I'm 3.
Yay!
Yay!
Hi!
What's your name?
Hartford.
How old are you, Harper?
6. Hi, I'm Scarlett. Welcome to season 2. Oh yeah, and I'm 8 years old.
My name is Landon. I'm 9 years old.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 10.
Hi, I'm Noah. I'm 12 years old.
Hey, I'm Ethan. I'm 15. Watch me drop in.
Nice.
Oh, and one more thing. Sit down on your couch, take your shoes and socks off, get your popcorn soda, and enjoy season 2 of Wandering Wassoms. And don't forget, I'm the favorite.